Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. What's up, my peeps? If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single episode. Today, we are making pigs in a blanket. These are great for parties, get-togethers, or snacks for a movie. You know, I really don't like opening these things. You know what? I'm done. Just plain. This is such an easy process. I'm just taking my pizza cutter and cutting these slices of croissant into 3 pieces and then wrapping each individual smoky sausage. Very simple, and it should look something like this. How awesome is that? If you don't like my rolling, kiss my grits. And we're gonna cook these using my air fryer. 6 minutes at 380 degrees. Oh man, check that out. That is pure awesomeness. I can't wait to dig in. Pick one of these bad boys up. I'm gonna dip it in my mustard and heck yeah, that's very, very good. Awesome. I think I need another one just to make sure. More mustard. Oh yeah, awesome. Man, these taste great. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.